Oh man, my camera's not working again. Open it in camera mode, I open it in Snapcam, I open up in almost OBS, and my camera's not showing. What is going on? Oh, maybe I click this. But this is not what I wanted. I wanted my face in here, in this box right here. Why isn't it showing it in there? I guess I have to return this camera again. Hey YouTube, this is your boy Erotic Hot Sauce back at it again with another video. Today I would like to share with you how I fixed my webcam. well, my webcam errors that I had with OBS and my microphone errors as well. I was streaming, I got my camera working, put up my overlays, looking really nice. Then they couldn't hear me. Silent. Um, yeah, I fixed that by going into settings, going to audio, and messing around with that stuff. And yeah, I just had to keep on doing that all the time, and I was like, no, this is not right. Something's going on. So I then checked out my webcam. Well, the next other stream that I had, my webcam wouldn't show. So all my overlays and all that stuff was showing really nice and brightly, and but there was no me as I disappeared. No, actually just my camera wasn't working. I was this close to returning my camera when I realized that it wasn't my camera's fault. So here I am gonna try to walk you through how to fix it. It's two simple, easy steps how I fixed it, but it might not work for you. It might be just your camera. It might be OBS. I've reinstalled OBS left, right, and center. I've really tried to fix everything correctly, but I only figure out only two for my issues. Don't know if it'll work for you, but if you're having the same problems, I just would love to share two things that will get your camera working. Hope you enjoy. And remember, if you like what you see, remember, please subscribe. Please subscribe, and please give this a thumbs up so I could make more videos for you guys. So here's a situation where my camera is not working at all. Like both of my cameras are not working at all, which is actually one camera, but it is actually the video capture device. I have two on this on this scene right here, the source. I have two of them, which are my Snapcam and my camera. So the way that people normally fix it is by just restarting OBS. So we'll do that. Hey, it worked. So yeah, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it doesn't even capture your voice. Sometimes, like, it's very situational. But most of the time I always fixed it by closing off OBS first and unplugging your camera or your microphone. If your microphone wasn't working, unplug it and plug it back in. You do not need to change your audio settings, please. Trust me. I had to go through a whole bunch of mess, but then ever since I figured this little trick out, I didn't need to change any settings anymore at all. So yeah, well, this is it. It does help a lot, per se, in my situation. I don't know if it will help in your situation. Maybe it is your microphone, maybe it is your webcam, like I said before. It's situational, but if you're having exactly the same problem that I'm having, then yeah, please try it out. Maybe it'll be a lifesaver. Well, not really a lifesaver, but like save time. But there's another situation that I want to explain to you guys where I'm using actually two video capture sources. So I would like to add my my snap cam in my stream as well, right? So that's a little bit tricky, but I will tell you all about it in the next section. So hey, this is another situational thing where my camera is getting read wrongly as I am over here, but I want to be over inside here. So I have two sources. That's the reason why we plug in and plug out. The reason why we plug in and plug out is because the OBS is trying to read which camera it's supposed to be, right? Because then it'll think that you have two webcams, right, for this situation. The reason why I say this situation is because I have exactly two video capture devices, right? So I have my camera, which I renamed to camera, and I have my snap cam, which is another video capture device, and but I wanted to use my snap cam. So it thinks that I have two, not one, but two webcams. That's why it's reading out to this part. So I'll show you in a second here. So we're gonna go into opening up my snap cam because that's where I want to be. As you see, so what we're gonna do right now is just unplug the USB camera and then plug it back in. So I'm gonna do that right now, and we're plugging it back in. Hey. So we're back in. Now I'm in this squared box, so it thinks that we're going to the second camera, as you're using the same USB going into the same USB on your computer, but it thinks that you have two cameras, right? See, so that's why I am frozen on that side. So what you're gonna have to do, all you really need to do is just close off your OBS now and restart your OBS. You don't not need to restart your computer. Trust me, you don't need to. So here we go. Why can't I open up my open broadcast and my webcam is capturing my footage and my mic is capturing my audio? Why can't that be true? But hey guys, I'm just showing you my trials and tribulations about my webcam and my mic through OBS, or maybe through another open broadcast. Maybe it's the same thing, I don't know, but it's very situational. And the fact that I hope my two-step works for some people out there. Maybe some people are having the same problems that I was having, but hope this video finds you, and remember to unplug, plug it back in, unplug and plug it back in. Alright guys, erotic hot sauce out. Remember, don't be mild, stay saucy, and do not forget to subscribe. It will motivate me to make more videos for you. Thank you. Peace.